this first example, we're going to look at how we go about setting a MODx website to have the search engine friendly URLs. And what I mean by a search engine friendly URL is whenever you go to a website and you see in the address bar the URL, if you see index.phpid equals 2, that doesn't tell the search engines a whole lot about the page. So if you want this to, for example, have services.html, it's very easy in MODx. When you log in, simply go to System, go to System Settings, and we'll go to Filter by Area, and we'll go to Friendly URL. And the first option is Automatically Generate. If we resize this, you'll see it'll say Automatically Generate Alias, and you'll want to choose that option to be Yes, and I'll explain that in just a second. So we'll go ahead and set that to Yes as a default. And then we will come down to friendly URL, use friendly alias path, and you can leave that off. It doesn't matter. That's just going to show the structure. For example, the children MODx resources, if you were to look at their URL, it would have solutions as a folder in the URL, but I usually use that off. I'll leave it off. It doesn't matter. Use friendly URLs, and this one you'll choose Yes as a setting. We'll go ahead and save that. And the second step that you'll need to take is you'll need to change the htaccess from ht.access to you'll need to change it to .htaccess. And once you save that, we come back over to the website, and let's just go back to the home page. And if we click on the, for example, services, you'll notice that it now has the friendly URL. It's no longer an index.phpid. So that's how you go about turning on that. Now, a second ago I showed you that you'll want the automatic generate alias to yes. The reason being is whenever you create a new document, so let's look at we'll just do a quick create a document here, and we'll just call this title test. The alias right here, unless you define it, I mean, if you have the friendly URL, the setting that I just showed you right here, the automatically generate URL alias, if you don't have that on, nothing will show up here, or rather nothing will be created. So when we go ahead and save it, and let's do that, and we'll come back and look real quick at title test. Let's just go ahead and open this. You'll notice that it now has the alias path, or the resource alias has been created according to the title. So those two settings, and then changing the htaccess, will enable you to turn on friendly URLs on your website.